So here's all the pieces. Instructions are included, including the tires and the little bit of tools. Everything's numbered. So we're gonna put it together. It's coming along really good. Assembly is very simple. Everything's pretty pre-assembled. Like these are pre-assemble on the bars, pre-assemble, and then all you got to do is just puzzle them. Put a puzzle. It's like a puzzle piece. They line up, and they give the screws. They give you a screwdriver and some wrenches to actually tighten in some of the tires. All right, so we're gonna finish it out and see how it looks.
Today we have this file cabinet. It's made out of aluminum, and it's great because you can put actual magnetic things that you want to connect on there so you don't lose them. It comes with 2 drawers that you can fill up pretty well. Also comes with some keys in case you want to look up some important things, and it has a lot of space for storage. This is great if you want to use it as a printer table. You could put your printer on top, your paper here, and then you're ready to use it. And it's also easily movable with wheels, so you can put it anywhere you need to put it. It took about 45 minutes to an hour to assemble together, but it's very sturdy and very strong.